What is poppin', people? Welcome to day one of the new series. In this video, I want to talk about the products that I selected, why I selected them, but more importantly, the whole brand message and kind of why I'm doing it, and then also how I failed at doing this a while ago. It's gonna be an interesting video, so let me situate myself somewhere. Let me sit down. Based on my personal preference and what I've seen in the marketplace, I personally want to do watches, a very specific type of sunglasses, and bracelets to start off with. So the store is mostly going to be watches. That's going to be like the primary core thing of the store. Sunglasses would probably be the second type of thing, and you'll see which ones I'm talking about in a second. And I'm about 90% sure on the name right now, but definitely after I give this little overview, comment what you think would be a cool idea for a name, and if I end up using your suggestion, then you will be rewarded very well. Everything that goes into the store, all of these products, they need to have that sort of vibe that's congruent to the brand that we're trying to create. I really like this kind of style of sunglasses. I've been wearing them for years. Here, let me show it on my head really quick. So yeah, I think these are a really badass type of style, and it's something that I've been wearing myself for more than 2 years. And usually I notice what I wear, my friends also start wearing. So this is kind of the direction I want to go in for the sunglasses aspect of it. But the watches are still going to be the primary thing. And don't look at this. This is just a basic AliExpress watch that I bought 4 years ago. But I'm looking at just materials and getting an idea. So right now I'm pretty sure this is a suede material. It's really soft. So in the upcoming videos, I'll put sketches of the initial design for the watch. Again, completely ignore this one. This is just a basic AliExpress watch. Before I go in and I start requesting samples from Alibaba, what I want to do is just make sure I understand the materials that I'm looking for. So something I'm ordering to test if I like the feel of it is called Crazy Horse Leather. And that's actually legitimately the name. It's called Crazy Horse Leather. So I'm gonna get a sample of that. And if I like that more than a suede material, then I may end up using that, although it might be more expensive. And in terms of the marketing and the branding, like I kind of touched on earlier, there's really honestly an emotion, a feeling, a way of being I'm trying to tie into this brand. Therefore, I'm gonna need really high quality pictures taken for the Instagram, the Facebook, all of that. And this is an idea I've had for a while. So I've been thinking about how I'm gonna build this brand for a really long time now. And something I want to do that's a little bit unique is when the watches come out. So what I want it to be is these little badass 5-minute movies that are just recorded really well, really high quality. What I want to do is in the next video, so in tomorrow's video, I actually way back in 2015, I tried doing an AliExpress dropshipping store with only watches, and it failed miserably. And there's a really interesting thing that I think will help you guys out a lot, because sometimes when you target a specific group of people, they're actually the exact opposite people that would ever want to buy your product. So I'll get way more into that in tomorrow's video. Yeah, but nothing too much is going on today. Just gonna order some samples of Crazy Horse Leather. Maybe if I see anything interesting on AliExpress, I might just order it really quick to see if I want to compare those materials. And also what I'm gonna do is I need to contact my graphic designer because I want him to just make a mock-up of what a watch looks like. And I want to just be able to quickly edit the colors in Photoshop, because there's hundreds of color schemes that are going through my head. And what I want to do is every color scheme that's released have an individual little movie or associated content that comes out with it. And I also want to clarify something, because yesterday's video did way better than I thought it would, and I'm so thankful for all of you guys that left those really nice comments. I really do appreciate it. But really the main point of that video wasn't that selling is bad. There's nothing wrong with buying a course if it's going to show you how to develop a skill in internet marketing. I still have my course. It's the first link in every video that I upload. In my opinion, if you're gonna sell a program, sell them logically, meaning if you come through this program, you're gonna learn a skill set. You're gonna learn On mine, for example, you're gonna learn Facebook ads, you're gonna learn customer research, as opposed to selling something based on emotion where you capture people's emotions in a certain lifestyle and then making it seem as if that lifestyle is immediately obtainable through the training program that they're selling. And the whole point of that video yesterday was that I don't want to go down that path, and I would rather just continue doing what I've been doing. And that's to just help people develop their skill set, furthering their mastery within internet marketing and within human psychology. That's like a personal preference of mine. I feel the combination of those two skill sets is what's ultimately gonna help you in making this a sustainable career that you can do for life. And if you guys want me to show you kind of like the back end of how I run my course and how I drive sales to it, just let me know in the comments of this video and I'll make a video talking all about it. Yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching this one, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video.